guys, welcome back to my channel. So if it is your first time watching, please subscribe, join me, join the family, stay, don't go. So my channel, I post everything about beauty, lifestyle, skincare, makeup, hair, girl, you name it, everything. So today's video is a video that I want to share with you guys, a new product that I tried, and it was the first time that I tried. This is the Polish Like a Pro kit from Dr. Brandt, and I don't know if I ever showed you guys. I don't recall if I ever used in one of my skincare one of the facial microdermabrasion that I have from Dr. Brandt. I have the kit that Dr. Brandt sent me. The kit comes the new body microdermabrasion polish. And the one that I have just a little bit left is the facial microdermabrasion. That is amazing. This is age defying exfoliator. It's amazing. This product, it's so the facial one, guys, I have for years. So this one is brand new, it's closed. I just want to open for show you guys a little bit about the consistency, as I can explain to you guys. So this you just need like a pea size, and you should be able to scrub your whole face with. You know, the consistent, it is the same consistent of another one. It's so good. They give you a so nice, you know, exfoliating, and you know, when you finish exfoliate with this, your skin is so amazing, vibrant and beautiful, because you know, you get rid of like dead skin and dry skin and dirt and oil, like everything that you have that grows on the skin. So literally you just buff off like the surface of your skin, so when you finish, your skin looks glowy and amazing. And I love this product. I'm so glad I got the second one. Thank you, Dr. Brandt, because my first one I just have like a little bit on. I do have another microdermabrasion stuff, and I like kind of switch between them. The other one that I have, if I'm not mistaken, they have like a sea salt in it. And sometimes when I know, especially at night, if I'm tired and I'm just exfoliate everything, it fall a little bit on my eyes. It has salt and sometimes burn. And this one actually doesn't burn, but you don't want to let it fall on your eyes anyway, because it's exfoliator, so it's not good for your eyes, girl. It's for skin. So yeah, this one I love it. It's really nice. So when I find out that they are coming out with the body version one, girl, no, stop everything. I was so excited, so excited. When I first got these, I was like, oh, okay, I'm not gonna use, I'm gonna save, you know. So I filmed first, but then, you know, like I always tell you guys, everything I share with you guys in this channel, first I try on me. I'm obviously a guinea pig, so if something goes wrong or doesn't work the way it says, I can tell you, girl. So it's open, it's used, because I did been using, and it works just like the one for the face works, and this one works amazing. I don't know about you guys, but me personally, even though I don't live like in a cold weather, but still, I don't know, maybe my body just know that's in the winter, and my skin gets so dry, especially like in my knee area, the elbow. Girl, no, nobody wanna have alligator skin, no. So when I got these, I was so happy. You know, normally I have like a kind of a salt scrub that I exfoliate my body with. I even don't like to exfoliate with my body with some of the stuff that I have, especially this one I told you that it's like a salt with oil, because I have such a sensitive skin, and sometimes when I exfoliate, it started burning my skin, and it's like a nightmare. So girl, no. So when I use this for the first time, so what I did the first time, how to use this is they tell you for use on the damp skin. So I lay in my bathtub, you know, and just as I was washing my hair and do my little things, I just soaked there for 5 minutes. So after I was there 5 minutes, I just rinse off my hair, and then I just get up from my tub and just exfoliate my legs, my arms, and I'm telling you guys, it just makes your skin look so beautiful. You guys can see, you know, I have very sensitive, my skin, it's very delicate, and this, even with my fine delicate skin, this was amazing. Give you a nice exfoliation. My skin was beautiful, glowing. I got rid of all the dead skin from the winter, the dryness, no more alligator skin. and without irritating my skin. It was applied, like I told you guys, I have a salt body scrub that sometimes when you scrub my body, I kind of it's like a cross between burn and itch together. My pores, since they are sensitive too, and this, it didn't do this. So I'm so excited for this product. And this is one kind of product that when I try the first time, if I fall in love, girl, I don't walk, I run to buy a refill, a backup, because if I like something, I'll just stick with, you know. I have so many like skin stuff that I've tried the first time and I'm like, all right, I just keep using, you know, and this is one of that. So yeah, so this is a body exfoliator with professional grade crystal. Yes, girl. So I was very excited. This is, let me read a little bit for you guys. This designed for use on the body for the best results. Apply to damp skin and gently massage in circular motion for about 2 minutes. Focus on dry areas of elbows, knees, and heels. Rinse well. Enjoy a baby smooth skin. All right, external use only. So yeah, so fabulous. A big thumbs up. Thank you, Dr. Brandt. Thank you for the face microdermabrasion, which polished the skin like beautifully, and now you have body win-win situation. Yes, thank you so much. So that's all for this video. I'm gonna link the link below for Dr. Brandt for the body microdermabrasion and for the facial microdermabrasion. If you guys decided to check them out, you know, doesn't cost you anything to check, right? Exactly. So if you guys have any question about any one of the product, please drop in the comments below, and as soon as I see it, I will gonna answer your questions. Okay, thank you for watching. I love you guys. I see you guys next video.